Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first two challenges, let's take up our third challenge now, which is create a lookup filter unit. So once if you launch your playground, let's click on this object manager. So in quick find I'm just going to search for case. So once if you get the result, click on it. So here choose fields and relationship, and here again in quick find I'm just going to search for contact name. So which is right over here, just click on it and now click on edit. So guys, here if you scroll down, so under this lookup filter you will find this show filter settings. Just click on it and scroll down. So here just click on this lookup icon under field. So I'm just going to choose contact name followed by account ID followed by insert. So once if it is done, choose operator as equals. So here for value or field we need to choose field. Again click on this lookup. So here we are going to choose case followed by account ID. So once if it is done, click on insert and make sure you have selected this required. So once if it is done, click on save. So that's all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our third challenge as well. Final challenge will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.